Hi, good evening mga kaborders guys. So, ito na aking bahalina, sanggutan, pure bahalina guys. This is from Barogoliti guys. Now, this is good for health also, especially to me. I drink this before sleep para yung pag-sleep mo, mahimbing yung pag-sleep mo, and then pag wake up mo tomorrow early morning, wala kang hangover guys. This is the effect of this bahalina guys, mga kabrothers. So if you want to buy this bahalina, just this is to me or for me guys, mga kabrothers. Good.